Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Effort Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Effort Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And I once again welcome to my show, Effort Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna talk about how to rewrite video scripts for your affiliate marketing business. So if you are doing affiliate marketing where you are creating video or you are creating reels, then watch this episode till that where I'm gonna show you how to rewrite video scripts for your affiliate marketing business so that you can make money by promoting your affiliate products, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to download this book. Fair deal? Now, without any delay, let me show you how to rewrite video scripts for your affiliate marketing business. Now, first, let me tell you the process, how this process is gonna work. First, what we will do, we will pick any influencer on Instagram, or you can say any super affiliate on Instagram who is doing great in his or her affiliate marketing business. Same thing you can do. You can make a list of influencers or affiliate marketers or super affiliate, those who are doing great in their affiliate marketing business. And from there, you can pick their reels or their video where in that reel or in that video where they are speaking, where they are promoting their affiliate products or they are talking about their personal story, etc. Right? So you can pick their video. And after picking their video, what you will do, you will grab the link of that reel or that video. And after grabbing that link, you will go to the website called instasnap.app. And then you will paste the link and you will download the video. And after downloading the video on your desktop, you will go to Descript. And Descript is a software where you can transcribe your video. You will get the script of that video. So after creating your account with Descript, by the way, I'm using free version. So what you can do, you can create your account and there upload your video, get the transcription of the video. And if you see any correction into that, you can make the correction into that. Almost it will give you 95% correct transcription, right? Then you copy that transcription, then you go to ChatGPT and there you rewrite that video script using ChatGPT. And after getting your, you can say, new version of the video script, you can use that script for your affiliate marketing business. Now, let me show you the practical, how we do that. So first, as you can see, I have picked one influencer or one video, or you can say one video of super affiliate where she is talking about. So I have picked. Same thing you can do. You can make a list of super affiliates, those who are doing great in their affiliate marketing business. And you can pick their one of the speaking video where they are doing great and that is viral. Yes. And then what you can do, simply copy the link, come to the software, or you can say come to the website that snapinsta.app. You can see that and paste the link here and then click on download. Just to save our time, I have already downloaded this video on my desktop, right? So I don't want to, you can say, take much time on that. So I have already downloaded this video. And then what we will do after downloading the video, we will go to Descript. Here it's a, you can say, free software, free website to use where you can transcribe the video. And yeah, they are having pro version too. So it's up to you. So by the way, I'm using their free version, right? So now after creating account with this script, what you have to do, go to new project. Can you see that? New project and video project, click on that. And after that, click on upload a file. Here you can see that this is the video that I have already downloaded. So click on that, open. Now process is going on. You can see that, done. Now you can see that if you see any correction into that or any mistake into that, you can make the correction according to your product or according to your story. So it's up to you. So now what's our next step? What we do, we will copy this script after making necessary correction. We will copy and then we will go to ChatGPT, and here we will rewrite this script for our affiliate marketing business. So now what command I will give, see, rewrite this video script to be original in simple language. Now I'm going to paste this. Now it will rewrite the video script for me for my affiliate marketing business. You can see that. Now you can see ChatGPT has created the new version of video script for me. Again, if I see any changes or any correction into that, I will make the correction into that. And after making necessary correction, I will shoot my video using this new script, right? So this is how you rewrite video script for your affiliate marketing business, right? And yes, if you have any questions regarding your affiliate marketing business, or if you have any doubt, then yes, you can ask your question down below. I will do my best to help you. I will do my best to guide you in a right way, right? So that's it for today. And yes, one more thing, like if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then there is a course on that. You can see that we call it artificial intelligence cash machine. You can see that. So these are the things that you are going to learn when you join this course. Actually, this course is based on artificial intelligence, where you are going to do affiliate marketing using AI, right? You can see these are the things that you are going to learn. Down below, I have put the link. You can go and check out, right? And yes, if you join this course using my affiliate link, then I will give you free coaching. You don't have to pay anything, and my free coaching will be for 1 hour. Fair deal? So yes, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out, right? So that's it for today. Now you know how to rewrite video script for your affiliate marketing business. Again, if you have any questions, you can ask your question, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.